Hey everyone, this is Anjana from Zenduty's customer success team, and today I'll be showing you how you can customize incident titles and summaries using Zenduty's alert rules. With alert rules, you can easily personalize how incidents are displayed by automatically adjusting the title and summary based on incoming alert data. This allows you to build custom conditions and modify incident details in real time, ensuring that key information is clear and relevant for your team. Let's dive into how to set this up. Alert rules are defined within your Zenduty integrations. So please navigate to Teams and then to Services and click on the service which contains the integration where you want to set this up, and click on the integration and go to Alert Rules. In my case, I'm going to use some of the payload data that comes along with the alert to customize my summary and message. For example, if there is any URL in the payload that comes in, I want the URL to be added to my summary. So I am doing a key search on payload with the URL key. So if the payload contains the URL key, I want the incident summary to have the original summary of the alert and also the URL. Now this would change the incident summary to have the original incident and also the URL. And this will be applied to all the incidents that have the alerts that contains the key URL. And then I'll change this rule. You can also rename the rule to make sure it matches the alert rule that you're setting up. As another example, I also want to change the summary to add a payload release version. In this case, I am checking the payload if there is any status associated with it. So if this contains a status, I want the message to have the payload status and also the payload release version. To do that, I'm going to click on change message in this case. And this would give me the original message along with the payload status and the payload release version that I wanted. And I'm going to rename it. So any alert that comes in that has the status key in its payload will go through this alert rule and the message will be changed accordingly as soon as I save this rule.